Large format tiles are heavy and hard to maneuver into place. The BARWALT v300e battery vacuum suction cup helps you wrangle these beasts with ease. The suction cup comes with a protective case and cover to prolong optimal performance. It can hold an impressive 300 pounds. It works great on tile, glass, marble, and stone. Even if the suction cup has been attached for a while, it will work to maintain the maximum pressure for the best grip. Press the button for 3 seconds to turn on the vacuum suction cup and start suction. 2 quick presses will release the suction when you're ready. After it's been turned on, 1 quick press will initiate suction. The handle is large and gives a secure grip to large, unwieldy pieces. Easily charge the BARWALT suction cup with the included USB-C cable. The internal battery can last all day with an 8-hour runtime. Don't risk dropping your expensive tile, glass, or stone. Use the powerful v300e battery vacuum suction cup for a secure grip on your next job.